Okay, hello guys, another video, and today we're going to do a tutorial on how to install. I don't have Skyrim on this computer, but I'm going to start off with how to install its creation kit. No matter what, I don't even have Skyrim, but installed. I have Skyrim, but I don't have it installed. And there's Forsaken World reinstalling itself for some reason. So here's the Elder Scrolls Skyrim. You must buy this in order for it to work. Okay? So the next step is you go to games, or no, you go to library, and then you click this right here, I think. Yeah. Go to tools, right here. Okay, so now you're going to look for the creation kit. I don't think I have it. Nope. I don't have it, but it will be in here. Oh, actually I do. Okay, so double click this. It says 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Just install. I agree. I'm not going to create these shortcuts. It's pointless. Pointless shortcuts. That's what Steam's for. Okay. I don't know why the mouse is acting up all of a sudden. Yeah, I got a new mouse I'm using. So, yeah. So this is going to take several minutes to install. I don't know how long. Takes several minutes. We can just watch it. Ooh, 3%. Okay, so it is fast. Let's listen to some music while we're... I don't want to pause. I like my videos long and good. Okay, so we're just going to listen to some music while it's installing itself. I don't... Oh, why is it blinking? It's not... I wasn't doing that a while back. Well, anyway, so today, we're once this internet installs, move it. Don't a BitTorrent control toolbar. No, thank you. No, thank you. Don't enable. I'm not interested in that. Now we can move this back. We're just going to listen to some music while this thing is installing. I know it's going to take a couple minutes. It's already halfway. Huh. What do you know? So yeah, we're just going to log into my thing, and I'm going to pause it here because I don't like people seeing me log in. Just scares me. Hackers, This playlist is not loading at all. Load! Wow. What a pathetic internet connection. Oh well. My computer's better than my internet's, which I'm on right now. We're already on my... Okay, so I don't have to log in. I'm not going to pause. 66%. Not bad. Not bad for the guy's computer, actually. For now, we're going to... Please load. Bang rings. Yeah. Collect strokes. I don't think my friends do, but I do. Actually, let's do kill everyone. No. Not that one. I don't want that one. That one is pointless. Play this one. This is good. Yeah, music. Keep it up. right now. Should let this out now that we're here almost there, so I'm gonna stop playing the music. That was good while it lasted. It was about 1 minute and 40 seconds, so besides this is almost installed. And I'll show you what you do next. You do open it up, but I do not have Skyrim, so you cannot I'll do another video later on how to use it, but you double click to open it. That's all you need, and just installing a little bit more and we'll be off. Just a minute. Is it already open? Oh no, it's still installing. Okay. Guess that's a good sign and a bad sign, depending on what I'm doing. I like this webcam right here. It's like right here. I don't think you can see it. Maybe you can, but it will be actually right here in the corner. It won't be on my recording toolbar, but you can see it both of them, I think. Now you just double click into play game. That's it, and I'll show you in another video on how to use it. See you in future videos. Like, subscribe, and favorite. Thank you. Bye.